Hi, it's Sandra here from Stone Eagle Massage Stones and Training. I wanted to actually share with you the powerful Mookiate stone. I'm going to show it to you. This is Mookiate Jasper, and it is an incredible stone that's only found in Western Australia, nowhere else in the world. It is quite a hard stone to find, and often you have to wait to get it, unfortunately. But we make sets out of this stone purely because of the magic healing power. Mookiate Jasper means brings water in Aboriginal language. So bringing of water is about nurturing and creativity. So this stone is a powerful nurturer of the nurturer, if that makes sense. So the way I look at it is people that are healers or massage therapists or beauty therapists or crystal therapists, when they use this stone, they're nurturing themselves as well as nurturing their client, which is a very powerful thing. When you're doing your work every day, all day, giving, it can sometimes make you feel quite depleted. But if you work with this stone, it is incredible what it does for you. It really energizes you, grounds you, and keeps you really focused on task. I love this stone. I love wearing it. I actually have it at the moment in a little heart around me because I've had a lot of emotional stuff going on in my life recently, and I've found this stone is really helping to keep me grounded and focused. Often as a mother and as a wife and as a therapist, I find myself doing everything. And sometimes it can feel draining, hard. So that's why I've been drawn to this stone, because it keeps me light and happy and that's good for everyone. So I just wanted to share with you about Mookiate. Like I said, it's a bit rare, so it tends to be a little bit more expensive, but it's so worth it. I use these nearly every day in my treatments. So, Mookiate. But next week, I'm going to share with you all about sodalite. So stay tuned. I'd love you to come back and listen some more. Thanks for watching. Love and light.